Hello everyone and good morning. In this class I would like to discuss and guide you how to create your first presentation. Okay, creating your first presentation using the WPS Office. Alright, this is one of the software that you will be able to get it free. So in case if you have not installed this in your machine, maybe your laptop or your desktop, you can just simply go to the browser and you just simply write WPS Office and you will get this. Okay, this is a free software. You can just click here and you will be able to download, install, and then you can use this. Now in case if you want to use this in your smartphone, you simply go to your Play Store and then you can write WPS Office. You will be able to download and use it. Now in this class I will first guide you how to create your first presentation. So by clicking at this WPS Office, I will get this. So remember, in this software you will get document, spreadsheet, presentation, PDF in one software. All right, so the document here, it is the MS Word in the MS Office. Remember, this is WPS Office, not MS Office. All right, like you have heard about Microsoft Office. This is very similar with the Microsoft Office. In the Microsoft Office, you will get the Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and PowerPoint. So this is very similar with the MS Office or Microsoft Office, but this is known as the WPS Office, where you will get the document, you will get the spreadsheets, and you will get the presentation. So since I want to guide you how to make the presentation, therefore I will click on this. When you click on this, you will get this, right? So by default you will get this, and remember, if you are connected to the internet, you will get this extra things like this one, and so on. So these are the extra, okay, the extra things that you will get when you connect to the internet. So these are the different templates, we call it. All right, so these are the different templates. But in case if you want to use this, any one of these, for example, if I want to use this, if I click this, you'll get this. All right, if you are connected to the internet, you will get this. You will be able to use it free, but then you will get a trial of 30 days. So I don't want to do that. Let me just straight away go to the blank one, right? So by clicking at this, the blank one, just wait a minute, you'll get this. So by clicking at the blank one, you will get this by default. So in this case, if you see this, this is known as the title bar. All right, this is known as the title bar. Then next you will see this is the menu bar, and then we have the toolbar. All right, so in the menu bar you will get home, insert, design, transitions, animation, slideshow. Each one of these we will discuss in the later classes. And then we have the toolbar as well. For example, in home menu you will get this. These are the different toolbar. And in case if you click on insert, what you'll get different toolbar, and so on. Design, you will get this. Transitions, you'll get this, right? So for the time being, let me just go to the home. Then now when you look at this, you will have right here a window. This is the slide, And then if you look to the left side, you have two options, that is outlined. Now for example, if I want to click on outlined, it looks this way. See, the window is different from the slides. If I click slides, it looks this way, and if I click on the outline, it looks this way. Alright, so by default it is in the slides, it looks this way. So now the first thing first, before you begin to create your presentation, you will need to go to the layout. By default you will get this. Alright, you can just click here, click to add title. For example, any title you are given, you want to, for example, I just wanted to give, for example, musics, right? This is the titles. Now when you click here, click to add subtitle. So if you want to describe anything about music, you can just click in this box, right? Then you'll be able to write it that way. Now for example, if you don't want this, so if you look at this, you'll get this. Now if you don't want to get this display, you can just simply go to the layout. All right, so I will just click here, I will get different layouts. In case if I click at this, so by default that is the first one. Okay, this is by default. Now in case if I want this, I can just click. Now you'll see it differ from the first one. Now some of you maybe you will not like this, so you just click here and then you simply go with this. This is another way of presenting your slide. Then this one, you can just simply add music here. You can just add the text here and then here like that. Or if you don't want this, you can simply again go to the layout and choose the other one. So this is the other one. Now it depends on you to choose which one you like to create your slide. Now for me, let me just simply choose this one. All right, I will choose this. So I will simply, let me do this way, I will delete all of this. So I'll just delete that. Okay, let me just simply do it this way. Okay, I undo it. Okay, by default I got this, so let me choose this. So when you choose this, you will get this. All right, so click to add title and then click to add text. Now like for example, like I told you before, let me just write about music. So when you finish to give the title, you can simply click in this box below, you'll get it. So by default we got this. Did you see this? This is known as the bullet. So in case if you don't want this, you simply go to this one, right? See, this is the bullet. So now in case if I want the, you can have this as well, right? Now if you don't want this, you may choose the other one, maybe this one, or maybe this one. It depends on you which one you like to use. Now for example, if I don't want anything, if I want to write simply a paragraph, I will just press the backspace and then I'll get this. Okay, but in presentation, most of the time people used to write it in a point wise. Remember, most likely people like to write things in point wise. Now for example, if I choose this, I will choose this. So music is speed. For example, you can just write in point wise, music is speed. By when you finish, right? For example, if you finish here, you want next bullet, you can simply press the enter key from your keyboard, you will get the next one. So music, for example, music, no, music is sweet, music is nice, for example, or music is my friend, blah blah blah. Okay, you can write anything you want. Rock music and so on. Now after that you can simply you will get this. In case if you want to continue with the next slide, right, in case if you want to continue with the next slide, you simply go to the home menu. Remember, now you will have this new slide. You will click at this. Either you want to duplicate it or you want to give a new slide. We will talk about this later. So in case if you want to get a new slide, simply click new slide, you will get the blank one. Now in case if you want to duplicate, okay, I will just cut this. In case if you want to duplicate, you will duplicate the same slide again. See, this and this is the same. So in case if you don't want to duplicate, you simply go to the new slide, you will get the blank one, right? So now in this case, maybe you want to write something about say sports. That is the heading. Then you will write for example, if you don't want to bullet, if you don't want the bullet anymore, you can just simply go to the next toolbar, which is known as the numbering, right? So when you click at this, you will get different types of numbering. 1 2 3 with a dot, 1 2 3 with the bracket. We have the Roman capital, we have the Roman small, and we have ABC, right? So in case if you want this, you can just simply click on this, you'll get that. And then you write anything about sports, right? Now again, if you want to continue, for example, if you reach to the let me just write anything. Okay, so remember, it is not wise to go beyond this line. If you see this line, so this is the line, it is not wise to go beyond the line, because when you present this, it looks very shabby and maybe some part of this slide may not be able to see. So therefore, when you reach at this point, it's better, it's always wise to go with the new slide. Okay, so it's better to continue with the next slide. For example, if you want to write about sports, and then you have written about sports, for example, these are the points that you have written about sports. Now when you reach here, don't go beyond that. Instead, what you have to do, you just simply click in this, okay, go with the new slide, and then you can continue it right here. Okay, then let me also discuss about something else. Now for example, if you look at this, right, we have B, this is for bold, we have I, this is for italics, we have the underlined. Okay, if you want to underline the text, then we have the text shadow, and we have the font color, we have the superscript, we have the subscript, and then we have the clear formatting. Now for example, if I want to make this this heading to be bold, what I have to do is I have to select it, right? You just simply click here and then drag the mouse to the left, or you can just keep the cursor right here and drag the mouse to the right. Now after that, you simply click on this, you'll get it bold. Now if you want it to be in italics, you can simply do it by clicking at this, so you look at it this way. Now if I want to underline this, what I need to do is I just simply click here. I'll get it underline. Now if you want to make it in different color, you can do it so by clicking at this. When you click at this, you have black. Now for example, if I want this to be in red, you click that, you'll get in red. Now in case if you want it to get in yellow, you'll click and you'll get it yellow, and then you'll get it in blue, and so on. Right? Now also let me discuss a little bit about this. Okay, we will go one by one of this in the later classes. Now by default the text are aligned to the left side, right? Now in case if you want this text to be in the center, okay, this is the right, this is the left side. If you look at this box here, so this is the boxed. By default the text are aligned to the left side. Now in case if you want this text to be in the center, that is in the center of this box, what you need to do is by you have to select the text and then click at this one. Okay, when you click at this, you will get it in the center. Now if you want to get it in the right side, okay, if you want to get into the right side, you click here, you'll get the right side. Then about justify and the other things we will discuss in the later classes. Okay, so now again, if you want to make this, if you want to increase the size of the text, you simply need to, now for example, if I want this, all right, if I want this to be smaller than the music, smaller than the heading, what I need to do, I can simply select this. Okay, you can select all, and then you will go to this. Okay, this is the size, okay, the font size. So click at this and you'll get different size of the text. Now for example, if you click 8, it is very small. 9, it will increase, and then for example 12. Now in case you want to make it bigger, you just go and increase the font size. Now let me just simply click at 20. So you'll see that the title is bigger and the body or the content of the title is smaller, right? Now, or simply you can just select the content, okay, or the paragraph. You simply click at this. When you see this A with a plus sign, means to increase, right? When you click this, it will increase. Or you will, if you wish to make it smaller, you simply click at the negative one, A negative or A minus, right? It will become smaller and smaller and smaller. Now in case if you want to change the font, all right, in case if you want to change the font, now by default the font is in Calibri, okay, Calibri. Now in case if you want to change it to something else, you can simply click here, okay, click at this, you will get different options. For example, if I click this, let me just select this and keep it to the right side, okay, so that you can see it better. So if I click at this, for example, if I keep this, I hope so you can see the changes. Now just want to change that way, this one like that, this one, then we have this, then this one, and so on. So it depends on you which one you like to choose. You can do it so. Now again, if you look at this, all right, if you look at this, if I click in this one, you'll get it in black, okay. Before we are going to this one, font color, and then we change the color of the font. Now there is a shortcut that you can just simply select the sentence or the word that you want to change the color, simply go to this one. Okay, this is the shortcut way. If I click at this, it will become blue. If I click at this one, see, this one, and so on. All right, so by default it is in black. I think that is all for this class, and in case if you have any doubts, you can simply comment in the comment section below. All right, thank you.